Hi everyone, welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. Before we go ahead and get started, please hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below for other activities you'd like to see on this channel or any math problems that you may have that you just need a quick tutorial on. I'd love to be the person to help you out. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. Today's activity, we are working with the letter N from the alphabet, and the project we're going to be doing is making a nest. So we're going to actually be using our toddler as a handprint for the nest, and then we'll be using their fingertips to make some little birds to add to the nest. So it's going to be a hands-on handprint project. While we're doing the project, it's always great to also just talk about the letter N, what the sound of the letter is for N, also maybe talking about why we chose N is for nest, maybe going out and exploring in the backyard or taking a walk and maybe trying to find a nest in a tree and wheeling it back into why N is for nest. For the supplies with this project, it's just going to be a couple of simple items. It's going to be one plain piece of paper, brown paint for the nest, to paint on the hand, blue paint for the birds, a couple of markers if you want to go ahead and add to your nest and make a tree and some leaves, whatever you want to do with that. Any kind of marker if you want to also label your paper as far as what you are making. So I'm going to create N is for nest, and then a paintbrush to do with all the painting for the hands and all that fun stuff. And that's all you'll need. For this project, there's not much of a tutorial to do. You are going to simply be using your toddler's hand to make the handprint of the nest, so wherever you want to place it on your paper, and then you'll let that dry. After it dries, you can add in your birds. Once all that dries, you can finish your picture with however you want to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and just end it here and show a clip with my toddler. Enjoy. So this project, we're going to make a bird nest.
A bird nest?
Yeah, because we're going to work with the letter N. Can you say N?
N.
What sound does N make?
No.
Yeah, nest. Whoa, be careful. And then, who lives in a nest? Do you know who lives in a nest?
Birds.
Birds live in a nest. So we're going to make a nest for some birdies. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do red bird.
So we're actually, you want to do red birds or blue birds?
Blue bird.
Okay, we'll do blue birds. But first we have to make the nest. So we're going to put some brown paint, and then we're going to actually use just this hand this time.
Okay.
Okay, wait. Let me paint it for you. Because we're going to only use, we don't want to use your thumb. So we're not going to use the thumb for your nest.
Okay.
Because then it would mean like the nest stick is poking out or something. I mean, we could definitely use it. Put your fingers together like this. Can you put your fingers together? Yeah, just like that. And then put it, and then you're going to put it down right. 3, 2, 1, drop. 1, 2, 3, lift up. Woohoo! So we have our nest. So go ahead. Go ahead, wipe your hand off in the towel though. Now that we have our nest, we're gonna add little birdies. So let me see this real quick. We don't need our paintbrush anymore.
Okay.
We're not gonna touch the brown anymore.
Nope.
But we are going to make little birdies out of the blue paint because we're gonna make blue birds. So I'm gonna make one, and then you can make all the others, okay? So watch what I do. Grab your finger, just one, only one. Dip it, just dip one time in the blue, lift up. And then on the nest only, you make a birdie body on the nest, on top of the nest. Good job, lift up. And make another one, lift up. Good job, wait. So those are gonna be the birdies. We're gonna let those dry. So we have our start of a bird, and then we'll come back and finish it, but we gotta let them dry. High five, Messy high five. Woohoo!